Hello, how are you? I am Christine Michelle, and I am coming to you with another episode of Aligned Soul TV. So today we get to talk about intentions. We get to talk about aligned soul action and really bringing what you desire, actually allowing what you desire to unfold into your reality and how you do that. But before we get deep into that, I want to remind you to subscribe and hit the notification button, because that is how you get notified when I upload another video that is shifting your mindset, lifting your energy, because I am the vibe lifter and the energy shifter. So let's talk about intention. So in this Live Your Best Life series, Living It Now, and Law of Attraction /101, we have talked about what is Law of Attraction, how your most really would conscious creation, or as I call it, live your best life now. And we talked about what it was, what it wasn't. We talked about vibration and what it is. We talked about all of the things to remember about living your best life now. We talked about how there's nothing wrong with you, and when you're like, why isn't it happening, and all of that stuff, what to do to shift that. Focus on what is going right, don't focus on what is going wrong. So we talked about that. And then we talked about how your desire, whatever you want, is already done. There is a you that already has it sitting in a parallel reality, and it's about you becoming aware of that and bringing that into your reality by being that person now, knowing that it's done and done. And then we're going to talk about tomorrow about importance, about not putting what you want on a pedestal, about making it a hashtag, of course, and a hashtag normal instead of woo, wee, yay, I can't wait, I'm blah, 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 I'm going to feel this, I'm going to feel that, all of that stuff. We're going to bring that into the next video. So today we're talking about intention. So you found out that what you desire is already done and done, right? There's the you that's already doing it, already being it. Yes. And in order to bring that into your reality, in order to bring that into your 3D reality now, you're touching, you're feeling, you're tasting, and all of that stuff, because I know you're saying, well, Christine, that's well and good. It's already done. But how do I do it now? How do I feel it, smell it, taste it? How do I get it in my bed at night? How do I get to receive the money from it? How do I get to inspire and empower? How do I get to grow my audience, or whatever you're desiring? Right? You're like, well, how do I get it now? All of those things. Well, it's you started off with the thought, right? You had the thought, and then it was a feeling, right? A feeling, and then a desire, an intense desire that you were like, yes, this is what I desire. And then from that desire, you decided, done and done. It's done. I'm choosing it, right? You asked, you chose, you're like, this is what I'm doing, done and done. And then from that decision, from that choice, now it's about setting intentions. You intend to allow this into your life, right? So for me, what I do is I ask, right? We had the 6 steps, watch manifest like magic if you don't know the 6 steps. And so I've already asked, right? Because it was flowing through me. So that was flowing through me, and a desire was birthed, and I asked for it. I decided that it was done. And now I'm intending for it to be in my life. I'm intending for it to unfold. I'm intending to be it, have it now. And so by setting the intention that this is done, this is inevitable to unfold in my reality now I live it, I see it. And so for me, in order to set those intentions, one, I get a view of how it looks and feels, right? So, because feeling is so important, that is speaking the language of the universe. And when I talk about feeling, I'm not talking about intense, overly unrealistic feelings. Right now you're sitting at, let's say every day you sit at a 7, or you're vibing high, but you're vibing high, you're balanced at a 6 or a 7. That person, though, you who already has it, is probably at a 7 or 8 too. She's not flying from the ceilings and jumping up and down for joy all day, every day, right? So I set and say, okay, I would like to feel the feelings of, because I know she feels more ease, right? Maybe she has more people helping her, but I know she feels successful. She feels, so I pick 3 feelings. Let's say success and ease and appreciation, right? So I make sure that I'm sitting in those feelings throughout the day as I be that person, right? I start off my day like stepping into the reality where this is mine. And so when I was manifesting myself out of my corporate job, the person I was the person that does this. She records videos. She goes live to her group. She's created a group. She has products and programs and a membership program. She has the society where people come and they get to learn, and then they get to just participate in workshops and master classes and all the things, right? So I step into that person and I create from my intuition. I take action from my aligned soul. My soul is telling me, create the group, the Aligned Soul Collective. Okay, create this YouTube channel, do these videos, right? Do this and do that. And so I'm doing that. I'm taking these actions, not in order to get, but as being that person right now, being the transformational leader, being the person who has the amazing, successful business. So whatever you desire, it's done and done, because now you decided it's yours. So done. The you that already has it, how do you be that person now? How do you be in that reality of having it, being it, walking it, smelling it, tasting it, touching it now? So you could do it several ways. You could do a visualization. You could journal. I journal. And I'll include below this video the journal challenge, the 5-day journal mini course that takes you through how I journal. But it's all about me affirming with feeling, with my heart, really stepping into that knowing and having, and affirming while I'm journaling, what is my life like? My life is filled with ease and flow. I am the transformational leader. I am creating videos that is helping people. I get to inspire. I am empowering. I get to impact lives. And I focus my intentions on all the things that I'm doing that I know I've been put on this earth to do. And my intentions are really to impact and inspire you and do what I love and what I know I've been put on this earth to do, which is to mentor, which is to coach, which is to inspire and entertain. I hope you like it. I hope you think I'm entertaining. So think about what you have decided is yours. You're that woman. What are you feeling? What inspired action are you doing? What intentions are you setting throughout the day? I always set the intention that guidance flows through me, that everything that I record in all of the videos, everything that I say in all the live streams, everything that I write in all my blogs, everything that I write on Facebook and post and Twitter and whatever, that it inspires and that empowers and is exactly what you need to hear at the exact right time. So that is my 100%. That is my intention. And so I set these intentions for myself, and I set these intentions that I allow guidance to flow through me, that I really hear my intuition, that I really hear what I'm inspired to do, and I take those inspired soul actions. So your actions for today is to, 1, sit with you, the you who has it all, the you who has exactly what you desire. And what intentions are you setting for yourself? What intentions are you setting for your day? And what actions are coming out of those intentions? What inspired action are you feeling led to take? What feelings are you feeling throughout the day? Because it is done and done, done. It is only about you becoming aware of how it's done. It's only about you allowing God, universe, and source to take care of all the how and just being it right now. So I want you to hashtag tell me what your intentions are. Tell me what you is done and done for you. What have you decided is done? What intentions are you taking today after watching this video? What intentions are you making that this is how your day is flowing? This is how it works, right? Intentions that everything is working out for me. Every step that I take is a step along the path. Every step that I take is a step of me more and more being the woman who has everything. I am the woman who has all of the things I desire. Being now, right? So tell me, what intentions are you setting throughout the day? What inspired action are you being inspired to take? And then go do it. That's what I want you to do after this video. So tomorrow we talk about something that is so important. In the Manifest Like Magic series, we talked about surrender. And this is a lot of it, but I'm going to take it a little deeper. We're going to talk about importance and how putting what you desire on a pedestal instead of making a hashtag of course or a hashtag it's normal is putting you farther away from it. So we're going to shift that. You're going to change that. And then you are going to step into hashtag of course land. It is what it is. This is how life works for me. And it's just going to be normal. So that is what we're going to talk about tomorrow. I look forward to, the next video. Definitely subscribe and then do the notifications so that you'll know when this next video is uploaded. And I look forward to spending more time with you. Definitely leave some comments, like this video, share it or forward it, do so whatever you want to do, but share it with a friend, post it on your Facebook, just share it so that more people can realize how easy living your best life now is. And I look forward to hanging out with you more. Hugs, kisses, all the feels, and remember to take your inspired aligned soul action today. Bye.